If you are hoping to redo your bathroom, you probably want to get rid of that simple builder's mirror, and it's way easier than you think. Your first step is to tape the mirror. It may sound like a useless step, but safety is key. You don't want the mirror to break and hurt you during the process. This way, if it does break, it should stay relatively put together or at least stick to the tape, so you'll be able to avoid some safety hazards. As you're taping, you're going to notice some small metal clips that are holding the mirror in place. There will be 4 of them that look like this, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Once you've found the clips, you can work to remove them. I used a putty knife, but really any tool you have that is flat enough to slip under the clip will work. Push against the direction of the clip to unlatch it. When the clips are unlatched, gently pull the mirror away from the wall from the top corner. It should come right off the wall. Your final step is to unscrew the latches and gently pull off any putty that was helping the mirror stick. Again, I used the putty knife to do that, but any tool will work. And there's your final product. Nice and easy. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more how-to tutorials.